Welcome to the Candlelight Cabinetry Full Inset Hinge Adjustment video. We'll show you how to adjust the soft close feature, the in and out position of the door, along with the horizontal position of the door. You may find that your door closes too slowly. To adjust this, simply turn the soft close feature off on one of the hinges. To adjust the in and out position of the hinge, turn the cam screw on the back of the hinge arm. To adjust the horizontal position, turn the first machine screw on the hinge arm. This adjusts the door left or right. Thank you for watching the Candlelight Cabinetry Full Inset Hinge Adjustment video.